Nkosi yami. Yes. Yangena imali, zangena izindodla, angena ama-trillions. Izindodla the trillions. If you're not following this guy on TikTok, I don't know exactly what you're doing. You should try to follow his content. Angeke uze utisole. A very funny guy living with albinism. He's doing the most. Anyways, asikho lapho. Sila kunaleli gcebesha lethu nalesata gcebesha kunayi Rosali yethu lesatakhela yona besizama mos imitate uMondi. You remember that? You see, I told you, got friends everywhere, well connected. Anyways, angizwakhumbula lapha the other time they wanted to sue me for defamation of character. You see, they told me because they were not supposed to be even on the ground lapha in Swaziland. I got a war chest of lawyers. Some of them happen to be friends of mine. You see, told you. So ke kukhona lo munye lesetimkhalela njengami tiku loudspeaker ke letakhe because kim betik volume 1 no wonder le volume beyikhalela phasi. Anyways, tiku loudspeaker Trevor Noah, my favorite stand-up comedian. It happened that he did a joke during the Grammy Awards whereby Kendrick Lamar took away so many Grammys. Unfortunately, I don't even know one Kendrick Lamar song when it comes to this album whereby he won these Grammys. Anyways, that's none of my business. I'm here whereby Trevor Noah made a joke that that included Nicki Minaj and then also Donald Trump. Now, Donald Trump wants to sue Trevor Noah. You see, I told you, for defamation of character. You see. So ke kungifundisani lokho. Na unemali bakusuka. Wababethi imali bakubopha. Ingabe bebayibonephi le mali la kimi Nkosi yami baze bafune kungisuwa. Bebayibonephi ngoba at least lapha kuTrevor Noah ikhona. Uyabona ikhonyana mina bebathangisuwa bayithathepha ukibe statement nasla waskipha Donald Trump. Yeah, I'm gonna sue him. Yeah, madoda nine leadership. A joke doesn't need to be something that we've actually researched about and kufuna us understand the audience. Good joke nje. You understand? Noma ngabe udayile ukukhuluma ngetimfene lena lena but nasongenile kubantu laba corporate world ngawubekisa lapha eFNB so yowenda bu MC phambi kwalabo bantu. Ngeke bese ukhuluma ngetimfene dala esigangeni. Uyabo? Those guys basebenza ngemali. Do a joke that has to do with money. Yabo. Ngoba ngabahleke leyo nto yakho le. Uyangibamba enombolweni sikisi ngceve sikanye kanye. Anyways, nathi mkhalela ke tila ku loudspeaker. We don't know what will be the verdict or the outcome of that. But what we understand is that each joke ayifani nekunyonga. Sina nje zakhula abasinyonga bathi suka lenqozi a blackberry. Gona ngikhula la bayashintsha bosisi. The blacker the berries, the sweeter the juice. You see, told you. More connected. Got friends everywhere. Landzela ke izindodla the trillions.